For once, the weather report wasn't wrong. It's a warm day with high humidity, and the bugs are out. I'm coming up to see what's happening up here at the farmhouse, and we have an excavator on site, which will be great to get some of the work done tomorrow that we needed. And today, Chris and the guys are busy shaping up the beams that are going to go into the house. So we've had a good weekend. As you saw in the last video, we got the borders done around the house. But now what we're working on is how do we get the beams prepped. So the noise you hear in the background is the plane, and the oak beams that we're cutting down are being run through the planer such that they become more even. So hats off to the guys who've got their hats on. It's a hot day, and appreciate them as they work in this hot weather. Well done. So today is a beam cleanup, oil and install day, right Chris?
Right.
Your best part of the project?
Working on beams.
Working on beams.
My favorite.
Your favorite,
and
fantastic.
I think the beams are the most impactful part of the whole
In my
house
opinion.
when we have them there.
Okay, so come take a look, Lynn. Come. Yeah. So we're going to check it out over here. Take the shoes off. Okay. So these are the big beams that are going to go in the corners, and Chris is doing the deft work of cutting the angle. These are the huge 8-inch by 8-inch beams, and we had good debates as to which way the thing goes, but we've got that set, and so this will be the top of the beam going up into the ceiling. Working on the fun part of the project, which is sanding off and oiling up this beam, which is going to go in the corner, and we've left it with picked one with a bit of a live edge and left it fairly live, which is kind of fun. Yeah, we see Patrick McDowell at work. Patrick McDowell, our Irish carpenter, who also has some African roots with his bare feet, but getting ready for the dowels. Yeah, this is all done by guesstimate, as you can see. Hey, you're not in the middle. Just as well I'm here for that extra eighth of an inch.
You're making me nervous.
I'm making you nervous?
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
Because you're going to find something wrong.
Look at that. There they are. The beams are going in. First foray in. You like him? So the beams are a little bit skewed sometimes, but that's just the character of the beams in terms of the bend, but that's it. So the beams are going in together with their dowels, which is great. So we'll be putting more dowels in a moment. And these are the big corner beams over here. And looking around the room, still have to put those up to the ceiling, but we're making progress in terms of getting this room done. The trim is slowly going in, well, not so slowly, going in quickly today actually, which is good. And so in some cases we're trimming things out over there